So it's day 53. Day 53 means day 52 has been completed. Yesterday we stuck at one of the problem with one of the issue, and issue was that the put was not working. So today we will debug that issue and make sure that will be working. Also we will try to link comment with the ID as well, uh, for the comment section of specific image, a direct link. So we will work on that. By the time, let's check the Jira. We know we are having enough time, or now we don't have enough time. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow is the deadline, so we will try to finish it by today and tomorrow. So let's start the server first. CD backend. You know it is working, so it's loading. So by the time we understand this, and okay, so we see these things. Let's try to find, is there any post ID available in this thing. Console.log, post ID received is post ID. So it's state 401, which is not allowed, unauthorized. And I guess that is because application, there is access token. Forget about it. Let's regenerate it after login. Now it's in the network. So let's clear this and send a network. We are getting 400. 400 means post ID not found. But let's go to console and see post ID received undefined. Now that is the reason we are getting this issue. So we got to the point where issue is arise. Now in here the ID is post ID and post ID. Now let's clear it again. Now you can see it is received, but this time something error. So now let's see, it is the issue raised here. Post liked. So issue arise here, and let's see. I guess the data has been updated. So and after this, we will what we will do db.session.commit. We are ready. So here it is saying the error, and now current user, liked a post. So it is the issue. So if user is there, what we will send? We need to send the user ID. So temp user. First, let's make it user ID equals to none. That will get updated using temp user equals to user dot query dot filter by username equals to user user dot first. If temp user ID equals to temp user dot user ID. That is there, and we will update here user ID. See, now post is there and it is done. Now if you see, like has been updated, and if I refresh the page, there is a like, but the color has been changed. So we have to resolve this issue, as well as we have to find the way that the comment is go there with the help of ID. So we have solved one issue, and now we will solve the color. And this must be a link similar to sidebar router link to comment slash. Now I want some changes that should be of a specific post ID. So first change should be in the index.js, where we will change this to now this should be login. We want this should be login and this should be home, where we need to change changes. And also here what we want ID. So let's see what the issue, how that issue could be resolved. View 3 route dynamic values. Colon ID. So now we can use the same thing here. And we will use again similar type of thing. Here. So we know the name is, so this way it will be much better because we don't have name. Now the link is comments slash comment ID. Post ID. I guess this should work. Now let's see. Okay, so I have changed few things, so I have to change somewhere. Push to home, not to login. And similarly, there could be option at the sign up where we are pushing at login. Instead of that, we have to push at this. And in the sidebar, in the logout, we have to push at this. Okay, so now let's see. Now we are going to that link and there is nothing. Now index.js, comments.view. So it is comments. So now we have some, again, some images and all sort of those things. The again image will be changed here based on the post ID. So we will make those changes here. And we have to work on comment part next. So we have prepared something. Now we have to change the color of this based on the count. Now what I will do, again I will create one function that will be used at any time of point of time. Let's name that function as const in the profile, but in the comments, not in the comments, in the home. So now we will use this to convert, and specifically for the ID. Now I'm making it a normal class. Now here what we will do, we will make a function that changes the filter of the specified post like button based on click, based on count. So const count like status is equals to function, and what this function does, Oh, this will check. Mm, what this will check? It will get some post ID. Or it will pick the value. Document dot get element by ID by class name filter red dot value greater than equals to 0. So mm, then add a document dot. Now we have to see JS DOM code to change CSS. We can say my element equals to this one. So my element dot style filter is equals to I just need to check this line of code. Thing is, we are almost on the verge of completion. But where to use this function? We have to use this function. We have to call this function. And when to call? We have to call at every loading. So that must be call at time of on mount. First we fetch the post, then we will call count like status. So it is changing a bit. Why I'm using the same thing? L dot value. I guess that should work. Yeah, it's working. So now it will count will be 2 and its color is red. And let's make some changes directly in the database, and we have to make sure that there is only one like by one ID. So that will be in the second phase or second iteration. Oh, sorry, we have to make it 0. Now let's refresh it. The color is 0. The color is red now. So we have to check that as well. Is greater than 0. So when it updates, so there is an issue, and let me tell you, each post is there and they like count. Now instead of this, what we want, router.push slash. Instead of slash, home. Now we click this. It is not refreshing, so we will find to do that, refresh the same page. View 3. Instead of push, there should be replace. Still there is no refresh. We will sort out this as well, and now we have used this, so let's go to again this, and only one like should be there. So in the next iteration we will also make sure that these things are there. So we will add all of these error in the problem next iteration problem statement, what the issues we have found. So there are different levels of issue we have found. The second iteration we will solve all those issues. We will also look from better aspects of these things as well. So I guess this is enough for today. Hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you for today's session, and we have resolved one issue. We will resolve the next one and work on comment tomorrow after resolving that small issue. Thank you.